Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, I share about real estate investment and home care tips. So in this series, we'll be looking at how to create and enhance our real estate website and social media platform and pages. And in today's video in particular, we'll be looking at how to add XML website with Yoast SEO. Before we dive in, what is an XML website? An XML website is a file that lists a website's important pages, making sure Google can find and crawl them all. It also helps search engines understand your website structure, and you want Google to crawl every essential page of your website. So with an XML website, it does not guarantee that your site will be ranked on the first two pages on Google, but it will definitely help when people want to search for content and is related to your website. So go to your WordPress dashboard, and in this case it's iProperty Guru Fund. Go to Plugin, Add New, and then in the search here, search for Site XML, and then look for Yoast SEO. So click Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO improves your WordPress SEO to write better content and have fully optimized WordPress website. So click Install and activate your Yoast SEO plugin. So after the plugin has been installed, click Manage Plugin and then look for SEO in the sidebar. In the General Site tab, go to Features and then look for XML Sitemap. It is to enable the XML sitemap that Yoast SEO generates. So click See the XML Sitemap link. A separate tab will be opened, which is the XML sitemap generated by Yoast SEO. So go ahead and copy the XML sitemap link. So go to Google Sitekit in your WordPress dashboard and search for Search Console, and then click See Full Details in Search Console. And then a tab will open to Google Search Console, and then scroll down to Sitemaps in the sidebar. And then under Add a New Sitemap, paste the link that you copied earlier, delete the front part of the URL, and then click Submit. So after the sitemap has been submitted, the status should show Success. And if it's not successful, Google will send you a notification and email. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you learned today, like this video and subscribe to this channel and follow me on social media.